Nestled quietly along California's central coast, between the flashy bustle of San Luis Obispo and the tourist-heavy Pismo Beach, lies a laid-back coastal town that somehow still flies under the radar. Morro Bay. The mix of natural beauty and mellow vibes makes Morro Bay one of the most underrated stops on the Central Coast.
Dockside Fish Market. We're going to be taking a trip north to south. Let's see what they have. So Saturday, 2 p.m. almond boat smoke meats. Looks very appetizing.
Do we buy the fish and then you guys cook it, fry it? Exactly how does it work?
It's going to be market price plus $5 to cook it.
Oh.
We can grill like everything, only certain ones we can fry, like the raw fish.
Moved to the United States in the mid-60s.
Oh, so you live in Morro Bay?
I live in Los Osos.
Okay. How's the food here?
How's the food in this place?
Yeah.
Fine, because we keep coming back and back and back.
It's a salt water taffy.
At the heart of Morro Bay stands the jaw-dropping centerpiece, Morro Rock, a 576-foot volcanic plug that rises dramatically from the ocean, like nature just decided to flex. Locals call it the Gibraltar of the Pacific, and it's been guarding the bay for over 23 million years. It's ancient, sacred, and totally Instagram-worthy without the crowds. But Morro Bay isn't just a one-rock show. This town feels like a time capsule from old California beach towns. Fishermen hauling in the day's catch, sea otters floating on their backs, and shops that still sell saltwater taffy like it's 1952. Walk the Embarcadero, and you'll pass quirky cafes, art galleries, and fish markets serving up freshly caught seafood. Don't skip the clam chowder or rent a kayak and paddle right next to sea lions, harbor seals, and, if you're lucky, a pod of dolphins. And the best part, hardly anyone talks about Morro Bay. It's like everyone's too busy hyping Big Sur or Santa Barbara, while Morro Bay quietly delivers misty mornings, golden hour sunsets, and the calming soundtrack of seagulls and crashing waves, all without the traffic or chaos.